Hi, welcome once again to my channel. Today we are making this delicious meat pie filling. My dear, the heart of a meat pie is its sauce. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are so welcome. If you've been here before, I owe you one, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription, and I am not taking it for granted. And if you have not subscribed, my dear, this is an opportunity for you to click on that button. I've had to buy meat pie from fast food restaurant, and most of them I really didn't like the feeling, and sometimes the feeling is watery. Even the ones you buy by the roadside, I really didn't like it. I don't know if you've had such experience. If you have, my dear, comment in the comment section. I really want to know. So in this video, you'll be learning how to make unique meat pie sauce that after making your meat pie, even if you know how to make the dough, after making your meat pie alongside with this sauce recipe, everyone will want to have your meat pie. So here we go. This is our meat. Actually did cut it and blended it or shred it, and I'm cooking it with some spices, which will be in the description box. Do not worry, cook for like 20 minutes, then you set it aside. Now I'm going to be using Irish potato for this recipe and some vegetables, just little carrots, green pepper and spring onions. You can see they are not much. I used very little, but I love the color and flavor this three combination does to any sauce that you make. The other color to it, that your sauce will be looking not just tasty but attractive. Alongside with chopped onions, I will chop them and set them aside. This Irish potato I mentioned, I boiled it for like 15 minutes. Don't boil your Irish potato too much. If not, it will melt in your sauce, and that is the aspect that makes your sauce not to come out too good. So you boil it to be a bit hard, and it will be easy for you to slice, and the cube-like form will be very pronounced. Now I'm using butter. I like butter because I really don't want my meat pie sauce to be dripping with oil. Look at the vegetables and the chopped onions I added. You can see the color already and the beauty. Have you subscribed to this channel? My dear, what are you waiting for? Click on that button. So this video may be helpful to somebody. So do try and share this video. If maybe you have a friend that is selling meat pie, this video may come in handy, and the person's meat pie may just come out really looking very delicious and tasty that she will not have having more customers. So click on the subscription button, do like and share this video. Now I'm going to be adding in my Irish potato that I chopped. You can see it is firm. It didn't scatter, neither did it melt. So it is one of the uniqueness of boiling your Irish potato, just a little, not too much. I'm going to stir, after which I'm going to add in my meat. Now, I didn't add in any seasoning cube or salt because the spices I used in boiling my meat, which will be in the description box as I said earlier, was just enough for this recipe. The salt, the flavor, the seasoning cube, they were just okay. So I did add in more. But in your case, depending on the quantity you are making, maybe you are making for large quantity, you may need to taste it and decide to add more salt or seasoning cube depending on the quantity. But for this quantity I'm making, the sauce and the spice in my meat stock was just enough. So I've added in my meat now and my meat stock. I'm just going to stir and allow it to simmer for a while. Once you allow it to simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes so that the meat stock in it will dry up a bit, just leave it to dry up for a bit. Your delicious meat pie unique sauce filling is ready. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye bye. Good to have you here once again.